India's attempt to normalize its occupation of Kashmir suffered a serious blow as a member of the G20 countries, including China, Turkey, Saudi Arabia, Indonesia, and Egypt, refused to attend the moot in Srinagar. China took the lead in boycotting the event by firmly opposing to holding the meetings in the disputed territory. Experts believe that the G20 boycott by the key player like China is seen as a failed diplomatic attempt by India to normalize its illegal hold of the Kashmir. Ongoing flop G20 meeting has brought a new wave of terror for the Kashmiri people, with Indian troops and paramilitary personnel being deployed in strength, particularly in the Kashmir Valley and the Jammu region. The frisking and checking at public places, including bus terminals in Srinagar, Jammu and highways of the territory, have been intensified. Checkpoints have been crossed up across the territory where vehicles are being stopped and searched while people undergo intense frisking at the bus terminal. India's dreaded National Investigation Agency, Special Investigation Unit and paramilitary personnel issued the proclamation orders against 5 peace and freedom activists in the territory. The agency's Special Court Kulgam, designated the Black Law, issued proclamation orders on so-called anti-India activities, a police spokesman said in a statement. Large number of Kashmiri Americans staged a protest demonstration in front of the United Nations headquarters to protest against India convening a meeting of the G20 countries' representatives in the occupied Jammu and Kashmir, with prominent speakers asserting that the move was aimed at engendering a facade of normalcy in the UN-recognized disputed territory. Rented digital trucks flashing a wide range of messages, including the right of Kashmiri peoples to self-determination, amplified the protesters' outrage at the tourism meeting. Tough questions from the journalists regarding absence of China, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, Indonesia, Egypt and other such countries from much publicized G20 meeting in Srinagar baffled the Indian Minister Jitendra Singh, who is attached to the Indian Prime Minister's office. Journalists' questions on the absence of the above said nations and the issues related to the human rights situations and the lack of political space in the territory prompted the Indian minister to angrily query their mindset. Senior All-Party Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir leader Mohammad Farooq Rahmani has expressed his gratitude to the People's Republic of China, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Republic of Turkey, People's Republic of Egypt, Sultanate of Oman, Republic of Indonesia and Republic of Mexico for their decision to not send delegations to the G20 meeting in Srinagar. In a message to the embassies and missions of these G20 member countries, Rahmani said that he prayed and was grateful for their high moral decision to boycott the meeting.